Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to get TikTok Shop on my TikTok. First, ensure that TikTok Shop is available in your region as it's currently offered in select countries such as the UK and parts of the US. Next, make sure you have the